Hey, what's up guys? Let's make shrimp and grits. The first step is going to be browning our bacon. Once we get that bacon crispy, we're gonna leave the bacon fat in the pan and remove the bacon to drain on a paper towel. Season up your shrimp with some Cajun seasoning, and once those are fully coated, you're going to then sear the shrimp in the bacon fat. We're gonna help to build a beautiful fond on the bottom of that pan and then add our aromatics. I'm using Fresno chili, shallot, thyme, and a little bit of dried shrimp powder. Next, I'm adding garlic and flour. Once that gets well incorporated into the bacon grease and the aromatics, we're gonna add in our okra and then deglaze the pan with a little bit of clam stock. I'm gonna go in with a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce and a cold pad of butter, which is gonna bring the sauce all together. Go in with your shrimp and your bacon bits, and the gravy is complete. So I'm gonna finish my stone ground grits with creme fraiche and white cheddar, and it's time to plate up. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. This bowl was so big, I couldn't even finish it. So you wanna go in with your shrimp gravy on top and then garnish with your bacon bits and your scallion. This was one of the most amazing brunch dishes ever.